Most motorcycle engines don't fail from age, they fail from neglect. Skipping simple tasks like oil changes or air filter checks slowly kills your engine. The truth is, most catastrophic breakdowns are completely preventable with the right habits. In this video, we'll reveal the lesser-known mistakes riders make every day that quietly destroy their motorcycle's engine. Avoiding these bad habits will keep your bike running stronger, longer, and save you from costly repairs down the road. Number 1. Using plain water or wrong coolant. Neglecting your cooling system is another subtle way to kill an engine. Some riders top off their radiators with plain tap water when coolant is low, or never change their coolant at all. This is a big mistake. Tap water causes mineral buildup and internal scaling in the cooling passages, and it can promote corrosion and rust inside the engine over time. It also has a lower boiling point than proper coolant. All this means your bike could start running hotter and risk overheating more easily. Using incorrect coolant or mixing types can also reduce cooling efficiency or even gel up and clog passages. Low or ineffective coolant leads directly to overheating and engine failure if not addressed. The habit to avoid: don't ignore your coolant. Use the correct type and replace it as recommended. Liquid-cooled engines rely on that coolant to stay within safe temperatures. If you only ever add water, at least drain and refill with proper coolant ASAP. And if your bike is air-cooled, don't think you're off the hook. You must avoid overheating by managing your riding conditions. Number 2. Constant redlining and aggressive riding. Your bike might be fast, but treating the throttle like an on-off switch will dramatically shorten its engine life. Modern motorcycle engines are high revving marvels, but constantly bouncing off the rev limiter or redlining every gear is abuse, plain and simple. Running at or near the RPM redline all the time causes severe wear on valves, valve springs, bearings, and the cam chain. The engine's moving parts are flung around at speeds and forces they cannot sustain indefinitely. In extreme cases, you risk valves floating. The valves move so fast they fail to fully close in time and can even collide with the pistons, resulting in bent valves or worse. Aggressive riding isn't just about RPMs either. Constant hard acceleration and red-hot braking means the engine is always under high stress and high heat. You're effectively using up the engine's finite fatigue life much faster. Does that mean you should never have fun? Of course not. But pick your moments. An occasional spirited ride is fine, but if every ride is a race, don't be surprised when your engine needs an early rebuild. Treat the redline as a zone for brief visits, not a place to live. Upshift a bit early during normal riding and give the engine some breathing room. By riding a little smoother and not pinning the throttle at every opportunity, you'll significantly extend the engine's lifespan and you'll still have all the power when you truly need it. Number 3. Overheating from extended idling. It might seem harmless to let your bike idle while you gear up or sit in traffic, but extended idling is an engine killer, especially on air-cooled motorcycles. When your bike is stationary, there's no air flowing across the engine or radiator to carry heat away. Many bikes, even modern liquid-cooled ones, heat up quickly if left idling too long. You risk the coolant temperature spiking or, on air-cooled models, the metal heating past safe limits. Frequent overheating literally cooks your engine oil and can cause metal parts to expand beyond tolerances, weakening gaskets and seals. Over time, repeated overheats can warp the cylinder head or cause a head gasket failure, a death sentence for your engine's health. Don't rely solely on the temp light. By the time it flashes, the engine is already too hot. The habit to adopt: avoid unnecessary idling. If you're stuck in standstill traffic on a scorching day, shut the bike off for a few minutes. When warming up, idle just long enough to get oil circulating, then ride off gently. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge or oil temp. Remember, heat is the enemy of any engine. By minimizing idle time, you prevent those severe overheating events that can fry your engine from the inside. Number 4. Riding the clutch. Constant clutch slipping might feel smooth, but it's another habit that shortens your engine's life. How so? Slipping the clutch causes the clutch plates to rub continuously, generating a lot of heat. While the clutch itself takes most of the abuse, That heat doesn't stay isolated. It raises your engine's temperature and can overheat your oil. Moreover, a slipping or dragging clutch means the engine has to work harder to deliver the same drive force, effectively overworking the engine for no good reason. You're wasting power as heat, and the engine is straining against that slipping connection. Over time, this can reduce overall performance and even transmit extra stress to the crankshaft due to sudden grip and slip cycles. The key habit here: use your clutch correctly. Don't half-clutch, excessively engage it fully when you need power, and disengage fully when you don't. In slow traffic, practice throttle control and steady speed rather than constantly feathering the clutch. Your clutch is a wear item, but preserving it will also preserve your engine's health. If you notice your clutch is out of adjustment or slipping under load, fix it. A well-adjusted clutch that you treat with respect ensures your engine isn't doing extra work or spinning needlessly in the friction zone. Number 5. Overloading the bike with excess weight. Your motorcycle isn't a pack mule. Overloading it with weight puts serious strain on the engine. Exceeding the manufacturer's weight limit means the engine must work much harder to move the mass, especially during acceleration or climbing hills. The result is higher operating temperatures and stress on components. More weight, more throttle for the same speed, which can lead to overheating and faster wear. Over time, an overloaded engine may suffer accelerated bearing wear, premature clutch burnout, or even piston stress as it constantly struggles under extra load. If your bike is rated for, say, 300 pounds total, don't regularly shove 350 pounds on it. You're asking for trouble. Even if it doesn't fail immediately, the added stress shortens the engine's lifespan. This habit often creeps up on touring riders or anyone carrying a passenger plus luggage. The fix: travel lighter or upgrade components if you must carry more weight. Pay attention to your bike's GVWR and stay within it. Remember, the less stress on the engine, the less likely it is to fail. Your motorcycle will thank you with many more miles if you lighten the load. Number 6. Neglecting oil changes. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your motorcycle. Riding with dirty or insufficient oil is a silent engine killer. Oil lubricates hundreds of moving parts, reducing friction and heat, but it breaks down and gets dirty over time, losing its protective qualities. If you skip oil changes or use the wrong type of oil, you're essentially letting your engine run with sandpaper in its veins. Old, contaminated oil can't lubricate or cool properly, leading to excessive friction, overheating, and wear on critical components. In extreme cases, oil neglect causes catastrophic failures. Think scored crankshaft bearings, snapped connecting rods, or even seized pistons from overheating. Don't assume oil is oil either. Using an incompatible oil can reduce lubrication or cause clutch slippage, damaging the engine over time. The fix is simple: change your oil on time and use the correct grade recommended by your manufacturer. Fresh oil keeps those moving parts gliding smoothly and prevents costly damage. Skipping this basic service is like playing Russian roulette with your engine's life. Sooner or later, you will lose. Number 7. Revving the engine. When cold. No one likes being jolted awake, and your motorcycle is no different. Revving a cold engine is a nasty habit that causes premature wear inside the motor. When an engine is cold, the oil has mostly settled in the sump and is thicker, meaning it hasn't fully circulated to all the parts that need lubrication. The metal parts themselves haven't expanded to their optimal operating tolerances yet. Gunning the throttle in this state is a recipe for damage. You're forcing dry, cold metal to grind at high speed. Riders who regularly blip the throttle or ride hard immediately after startup will find their engines developing more wear and tear. You might even start hearing extra rattles and ticks over time as parts wear out of spec. Always allow a brief warm-up period. You don't need to idle for 15 minutes, but give it a minute or two for oil to circulate. Ride gently until the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Warming up your bike properly lets the oil flow and coat everything, so you dramatically reduce wear. In short, be kind to your cold engine. It'll return the favor with a longer life. Number 8. Lugging the engine at low RPM. Many riders think keeping RPM low is always good, but lugging the engine is actually a dangerous habit. When you lug the engine, you twist the throttle, and the bike struggles to accelerate due to being in too high a gear. This scenario puts enormous stress on internal parts. The oil pressure is low at low RPM, yet the engine load is very high, which can break the protective oil film between moving parts. Imagine trying to pedal a bicycle uphill in top gear. You'd put brutal strain on your legs. In a motorcycle engine, that strain hits the crankshaft and connecting rod bearings hard. Lugging regularly can lead to bearing damage, rod knock, or even crankshaft failures in the long run. You might not notice damage immediately, but over time those stresses leave their mark. The fix: downshift sooner. Keep your revs in a healthy range where the engine can pull smoothly. Your bike's engine is designed to handle revs. It's lugging under load that's the silent killer, as it strains the engine and damages bearings. So don't be afraid to downshift and let the engine spin a bit more freely. It's much healthier than chugging along in 6th gear at 30 miles per hour. Number 9. Ignoring the air filter and clean fuel. Your engine needs clean air and fuel to survive. Neglect these, and you're grinding your engine's life away. The air filter is your motor's first line of defense against dust and debris. If you never clean or change your filter, it clogs or even tears, then dirty air flows straight into the engine, acting like an abrasive paste on the cylinders. Dirt will scuff up piston rings and cylinder walls, and it also contaminates your oil, turning it into sludge that can't protect the engine. Over time, an overloaded or damaged air filter can lead to loss of compression and power as the engine's internals wear out. Similarly, using low-quality or dirty fuel can wreak havoc. Cheap gas from an unknown station or old gas left sitting can contain impurities or water. Contaminated fuel clogs, fuel injectors or carb jets, and can lead to poor combustion. Even worse, if the fuel's octane is too low for your bike, it can cause knocking that damages pistons and valves. In short, filthy air and bad fuel are a slow poison. The solution: check and replace your air filter regularly. It's a quick job that saves your engine. And always use fresh, high-quality fuel from reputable stations. By feeding your motorcycle clean air and fuel, you'll keep its heart beating strong. Number 10. Ignoring maintenance and warning signs. Motorcycles usually warn you before they die. The trick is paying attention. Ignoring scheduled maintenance and the small warning signs of trouble is a habit that can quietly doom your engine. For instance, skipping valve clearance checks, spark plug replacements, or other routine services will allow wear to go uncorrected until something fails. Lack of maintenance causes small issues to grow big. A slight valve misadjustment, if ignored, can turn into a burnt valve. A loose timing chain can skip a tooth, and suddenly valves and pistons collide, catastrophic failure. Likewise, ignoring strange engine noises or vibrations is asking for trouble. That subtle ticking or knocking you dismiss as normal could be an early sign of a cam chain tensioner going bad or low oil pressure. Noises are early warnings of internal problems. Catch them in time, and you might save the engine. Even the drive chain matters here. Riding with a damaged or overly tight chain puts extra stress on the engine's output shaft and can damage the transmission bearings. The fix for all this: listen to your bike and stick to a maintenance schedule. Change fluids, check valve clearances, inspect your chain and sprockets, and don't ignore leaks or odd sounds. If something feels off, investigate it early rather than riding until it breaks. Preventative care is far cheaper than a new engine. In summary, treat your motorcycle to the maintenance it deserves. It's the key to making it last.